SHAMATOR district is a demand for Yimkhiung district. And today, seeing you all standing together, hand in hand, is truly an evident who we really are. My beloved Yimkhiungers, by birth, we are the warriors and fighters. Are we not?
Yes!
Are we not?
Yes!
We are the defenders of our land.
Yes!
We have always been unified in the battlefield. And this is the right time. We come together as one people, unite as one people, and show our strength in defending our land. Let us unite together and protect what is rightfully ours. We have been so long, and we have had enough of being the giver, and now it's time for us to take what is rightfully ours. Chaga isa, tumang wala na isa, alubya chaga, Yimkhiung. Kaya isa na aji ba? District ang ubya, ang betul kini changcho ajo. I don't need to elaborate much on this. I believe kini kita aralan na isa course yang na mukhunggo de ina akina tola, cuma na district ada masih changcho na ina jusing kita matahun na. We are the sole owner of this land. Are we not?
Yes!
It is our duty to protect, provide, and preserve our resources too. Allah asing na tuma jok sona, haju isana, atong rale isana kamalubya. Akamnya ati jinsho isana. Didi siya, in return isana tuma menguso adwa. We have been benefiting the Nagas in general, but it doesn't mean that we should deprive our rights. Aji lang majina de, isa right am budi kawan de, chaka. We have been so patient for so long. We have been so patient, but our passion has been misunderstood as our weakness. Let us show our strength, my dear people. Now, they show no mercy. The government has betrayed us. They lied to us. But we are not lamb. We are not deaf. We are not dumb. We are not that stupid.
Yes!
Are we?
No!
Since time immemorial, we have been surviving and living on our own. We don't depend on anyone. Yes or no?
Yes!
We are surviving and living on our own since time immemorial as Yimkhiungers. The day. Enough is enough. Our patience is running out, Chaga. Let us show to the world that we are one people. Go to Yimkhiungers. We stand for truth. We will continue to stand firm and don't. So I repeat, do not fear, for we will continue to stand firm and tall, for we are the warriors who fear nothing. Believe me, dear friends, I won't take much time. Believe me, dear friends, when I say this, for today we are crying for share, but tomorrow we will rejoice in our victory. Our pain and sufferings will not go in vain. It will result us in victory. Thank you. God bless us all.
Kini sari kia, hacing jip kia, isa amenye ba asa bemara. 다 이사요 rights 주드마 주 아창 보충자 아치기레 아미칸 야데 이만 자마 구리게나 카라 구라세 골레 Nagaland government bra misha kwa bra Nagaland government bra assurance tigena fulfill na kuria bra failure kuri dia bra amikhan laga tuk itu government ge dekhai dia ase maiki khan to chonam hoise gole 5 days itu laga 3 data laga nam tu die itu bra achi amikhan maiki khan bra spearhead hoigena why the blow bra law tu achi tu 5 days ase itu laga agitation tu amikhan laga nam tu maiki laga nam tu achi tu mati bole laga tradition and culture tu ase itu bra achi bra tu amikhan laga nam tu mati ase kali bra tu Nagaland tradition and culture bra tu kali bra tu खेती दे होले भी कोट कोट होले भी इतु लगा पाचा तो लोगे न पहाड़ दे उलाई दी बोले ऐसे बोगी माजा शित खंगलो द पिंकी जु इसा यिमख्युंग रुपा तले किनी इसा न आख्यांग की जु इसा शे अंग ब राइटा आमी खंबरा मंगया तो आमी खं लगा राइट्स था क्या ब्राइ मंगया से आमी खं लगा राइट्स था क्या ब्राइ स्टैंड होया से आमी खं लगा राइट्स था क्या ब्राइ इतु गवर्नमेंट लको फाइट कुरे से We are standing in our tradition and culture and mineral and we are fighting for our district. YWO supports and stands for SHAMATOR district. Thank you.
We won!
Mangalam arage, kita sa jadi nalar nak mangalam tu arage biji tu nasagi tu arage. Nana betul tu musuh dia makam dah binci na tu. Acing ni cakap ada makam kita tu. Allah lah, rahana last. Nilang bedak ayi salah lah nonggila arang. Nana juding di naju tu. Juru.
Yimkhiung saja, belum saya sama. Anak saya. Kamu saya sasa.
Hoy!